What is exercise? Exercise is an important part of being fit. It adds to your total health. Exercise helps you physically, mentally, and socially. And physical benefits: exercise builds strong muscles, relieves stiffness, and it is good for your heart and lungs. And mental benefits: exercising is one of the best ways to reduce stress. Also, exercise gives you a sense of accomplishment, something to be proud of. While in social benefits, some exercises are done with a team or group, giving you the opportunity to meet new people and make new friends. Friends can encourage you and help keep you going if you want to quit. Exercise can build muscular strength, the ability to exert a maximal force at any given time. It also can build muscular endurance, or the ability of a muscles group to work over a given period of time without becoming overly tired. And exercise improves cardiovascular endurance. It is the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen to the body during exercise. To build endurance, you must exercise at least 3 to 4 times per week for at the least 20 minutes or more without resting. Exercise can help promote flexibility, or your ability to move your joints through a full range of motion. Being flexible reduces your chances of pulling a muscle while exercising. Ballet, swimming, and the martial arts are examples of activities that promote flexibility. Exercise causes changes in the brain that make you feel more relaxed. It also improves sleep quality. Exercise can help you control your weight. Regular exercise increases your metabolism, the rate at which your body burns calories. This effect may last for several hours. Exercise makes you feel good and look good. Exercise gives you more energy and helps firm up your muscles. As a result, you feel and look better. Planning an exercise program is an important process. Before you start planning, ask yourself this question. First, what do you want to accomplish? Second, where will you begin? Third, what do you enjoy doing? Fourth, do I want to exercise alone, with a friends, or on a team? Fifth, what facilities are available in my community? And last, what equipment will I need? Being fit is an excellent goal. However, you want to reach this goal safely, you can help avoid injuries by following these guidelines. The first one, wear loose fitting clothing. This lets your skin breathe and helps you stay cool. It also allows you to move freely. Choose good equipment. Having the proper footwear and protective equipment is an important part of participating in a sport or activity. Begin by warming up. Gradually increase your speed over the first 5 minutes. Exercise within your target heart rate, the level at which your heart and lungs receive the most benefit from a workout. For a child your age, this is around 120 to 180 beats per minute. Adjust for the weather. On hot, humid days, try to exercise in the early morning or evening, or shorten your workout. Heat and humidity place an extra strain on your body. On cold days, wear layers of clothing so you can remove the top layer when you start to warm up. Drink plenty of fluids. You lose fluids whether it is hot or cold, so keep a water bottle with you so can't place fluids lost through preparation. Watch for pain. Pain is the body's signal that something is wrong, so do not push through pain. Understand the difference between discomfort and pain in your exercise session by cooling down. Cooling down means slowly winding down an activity. This allows your heart rate to return to normal gradually. It also helps keep blood from falling in the legs. Stretch. Once you are warm, you will get your wrist increases in flexibility.